Video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video intro onto your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to engage your visitors and capture their attention right from the start. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. On the login page, you'll see the option to continue with Google. Click it if your Google account is linked to your Squarespace account. This simplifies the login process and gets you into your dashboard faster. Once you're logged in, select the website you want to work on from your dashboard, click on it to open the site, and then enter edit mode. You can usually find this by clicking the edit link in the website preview or settings area. This is where you'll make all changes and add new content. Next, locate the option to add a block. Blocks are the building units of your Squarespace website, allowing you to add text, images, and videos. Click Add Block, then look through the options and select Video. With the video block added, click on the pencil icon to open the block's settings. Here you can customize how the video is displayed on your site. Now it's time to add your YouTube intro. Click Add Video. Within the settings, you'll have the option to upload a video file from your computer or enter a URL if your video is hosted online. For this tutorial, we'll focus on uploading directly from your files. Once your video is uploaded, there are a couple of important settings to consider. You might want to enable the loop option, which makes the video play continuously for visitors. Also, make sure the video size fits well within your page layout so it looks seamless and professional. After making all adjustments, click Save. This will apply your changes and embed the video correctly on your site. And that's it. Your YouTube video intro is now live, ready to captivate visitors as they explore your Squarespace website. This simple addition can make a big difference in keeping your audience engaged. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.